have 7 pillars: art, music, movement, spirituality, health, sustainability, and education. So art, it's our soul's expression. The art that's happening here in all of its form, be it from building the stages to the actual art gallery, which is an art piece in of itself.
Designer of the gallery here, for me it's full circle because I started doing Envisions also as a painter. I was here the first year in 2011, it was about 250 people. So seeing the evolution of the festival.
Pure love, it's pure art. Everyone is a piece of art here. Everywhere I look, it's art.
So I feel like music is like the heartbeat of it. Inspiration from these kinds of events is what inspires creators to create music to get people moving.
Music is everything to me. It's how I pray, it's how I connect to the divine, it's how I connect with my body and other people around me.
One of the best sound systems in the world on every stage.
But the first time I was here, I remember the dance floor at the Luna stage. It was like the music there, you could not do anything else than jump around like a monkey.
Movement. Most of us are here because we love to dance. It's just like this beautiful synergy of health and expression and art. Yoga has blossomed over the years. Now it is like the area. It's epic.
The more that we move our bodies of water, the more that we are remembering ourselves. But it's not just about music and movement. It's not just about losing yourself in the dance. It's about finding ourselves.
Spirituality, and I feel that that's what brings us all together. This understanding that there's something more than just 3D world as we know it, that there's really just something else guiding. It's a spiritual expression. It's moving them in the music, in the movement, in the art.
I think a lot of us just get sapped from the way that the modern world is designed and sacrifice a concept of who we are.
There's a bunch of people following their heart that have a whole multitude of backgrounds, and that's what I really find quite inspiring.
Once you're here and immersed in that field, you begin to resonate with it all, you know, and that frequency is just so high that it's unavoidable, you know. It's gonna have some effect on you, whether you're conscious of it or not.
Health is so vital. I mean, if we're looking at a new earth, well, we need to be healthy for that. You know, we need to be able to just cleanse ourselves and heal our own bodies and be empowered and sovereign in our healing.
Health, it's a very healing experience for all of humanity because we can come here from all walks of life and be together and really connect on a much deeper level than we might in just kind of normal Babylon world.
Sustainability. We have an amazing eco team.
Oh, beautiful, Doug. Love your work.
Helping to educate.
Everybody wants to make something recyclable, which leads to people putting the wrong things in there, but then it actually detracts from the quality of the entire product. We call that wish cycling in the business.
At this event, we give all of this recycling and all of the revenue from it to the local Tico community, which is amazing, being able to kind of give back not only environmentally, but also financially.
Initiatives like Somos El Cambio, which is the foundation that is about creating wildlife corridors.
They're trying to just build a pathway to connect the coastal ecosystem to the mountain ecosystem. The shared biodiversity can get from the Oso Peninsula all the way over up into the mountain.
Education has been this keystone for Envision in terms of our learning. So many people have been impacted by the workshops here. They learn so many new things. They go home changed because of the power of information.
Throwing yourself a little bit outside of your comfort zone, which is what it's like to come to the jungle, is just an incredible opportunity to learn.
I came here thinking it was about the party, and now I've come to be educated on a whole next level about so many different aspects of spiritual growth and holistic life.
You know, through these experiences at festivals like Envision, we can become more oriented in that direction towards what feels right, what feels good, what keeps us excited.
I just take it all in, and it lasts for a year or more, and really it changes me.
I think that's the main message Envision can share with people, is that there are alternative ways of living where we can just do what we love, and somehow or another it finds its way of plugging into this whole equation here.
If I hear the name Envision, it means to look within. I came to Envision the first time, and it changed my life.